channel. I am on my way over to Target to pick up some cleaning supplies. I'm still packing and I need to clean once I am finished. So I'm going to take you guys with me and see what we can see. So let's go shopping. I have finished up with my Target shopping. There was one thing I was unable to find, which was some hand sanitizing wipes, but that's okay. I will go to another store and see about getting what I need. I had to get out of there. It is hot. As you can probably see on my face is glistening because it is like 94, 95 degrees. And the heat index feels like it's 100. So I need to get out of this heat. It is very hot. Oh goodness gracious. I'm gonna have to get out of the traffic too because people are driving like they don't realize that they don't have the right of way. Woo, you guys. Okay, so I'll see y'all back at the house. All right, everybody, I made it back to the house. As you can see, the boxes are all around. And I picked up just a couple things and I just want to share with you guys. You already saw it when I pulled it off the shelf, but I just want to show you that I did get it. I got some Method Daily Wood Cleaner. Can you guys see that? It's kind of hard to see with the light. I got some Method Daily Wood Cleaner for cleaning all the wood surfaces that I am going to have packed up. I picked up some more Myers cleaning solution, the multi-surface cleaning solution. I got it in lemon verbena, that's lemon verbena, and I picked up some in lavender. And I'm just going to be cleaning all the surfaces down, cabinets and drawers and things like that with the multi-surface cleaner. And if you all are interested in seeing me do a clean of the house once everything has been packed and moved out, I'll be more than happy to show you all a sneak peek of what is to come on this particular channel. There will be some cleaning, not a lot, don't judge me. I'm not a professional cleaner, but I will be doing a little bit of that here as well. That's the more that I mentioned in my title. And so this is what I picked up, and this is what I'll be using here in the very near future. So let me know in the description box below if you're interested in seeing me use these products. I'll show you guys how I use them. If I did not say already, excuse the hum in the background that you hear throughout this video. I am dehydrating peppers, so I'm multitasking. This is what you'll see on this channel, multitasking, and sometimes the dehydrator in the background will be going. So I do apologize if it's an offensive sound, but I'm trying to get a whole bunch done in a short amount of time.
1, 2, 3.